Hi, it's Asad, and today I'll show you how to use Astro mode for star photography on VIVO X300 Ultra. So first open the camera, go into More and then Supermoon. Now Supermoon has been merged with Landscape and Night mode. Turn it on via the toolbox in the bottom right, go to Landscape and Night. And right here select the supermoon. Right here you can take a pictures of the stars. Here you can change the zoom, change to the pro mode and adjust every option. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.